Good morning. I'm up at the crack of dawn right now because I'm ready to make something in my crock pot. I'm gonna make something to celebrate the holidays. Something that utilizes cranberry sauce and cranberry juice. I'm making cranberry pulled pork sandwiches. It's easy. Let's do it. Grab your pork shoulder. Let's throw it in the pot. And a third cup of cranberry juice. When I think of cranberries, I think of ocean spray. I'd love to learn more. 3 independent farmers started Ocean Spray in 1930. It began in Massachusetts, known for all their cranberries. A sprinkle of salt, and then I'm gonna cook it on low for about 8 hours. Don't worry, there's plenty more to go inside later. It was originally called Cranberry Canners and got the Ocean Spray name in 1957. They had acquired the name from a company, a fish company, that used Ocean Spray and the logo. Pork is done, time to shred it. More than half of the Ocean Spray farms around the world are owned by women. We have a few Ocean Spray farms right around me. In a small saucepan, combine a can of cranberry sauce, a cup of ketchup, a third cup cranberry juice, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Ocean Spray's first product was canned cranberry sauce, followed by cranberry juice, a little chili powder, a little garlic powder, a little onion powder, a little smoked paprika, and a shake of salt. I'm going to cook this over a medium heat, give it a little stir, and I'll cook it until it's thicker for about 5 minutes. I've once visited a bog, and it's quite a unique process. They have to do flooding, and that causes the berries to float rather than having to pick individual berries. Add sauce to pork and cook until heated through. Ocean Spray once did a campaign where they put pop-up bogs in city centers across the country, and people could have the opportunity to stand in a cranberry bog. All done, let's serve it on a bun. Cranberry pulled pork. Love it. Why are cranberries so wet? They've been ocean sprayed.